Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my Temu coupon code video. Today, I'm thrilled to show you some fantastic coupon codes and a way to get a free $100 coupon bundle. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. To get started, click the first link in the description box to grab your $100 coupon bundle. If you prefer, you can also search for the code COM93176 on the Temu app to score a 30% discount on your purchase. Plus, you'll enjoy free shipping and free returns within 90 days, which is always a bonus. Here's how it works. Simply download the Temu app using the QR code shown on the screen. After downloading the app, you can claim your $100 coupon bundle. If the coupon bundle doesn't appear at checkout or you encounter any issues, just search for the code in the Temu app's search bar to redeem it. Now, let's talk about some of the amazing deals you can snag with my coupon code. 3.38 Eau de Toilette for men. This refreshing and long-lasting fragrance usually costs $16.98. With my coupon code, you'll only pay $1.02. That's a jaw-dropping 94% off. Imagine how much you can save. Solid button-up knit cardigan. Originally priced at $159.90, you can get this stylish and comfy cardigan for just $23.49. That's an incredible 93% off. Perfect for layering up in style. Meal boxes, 26 Oz microwavable, reusable food containers. Normally priced at $33.29, these handy food prep containers are just $0.64 with my coupon code. That's a mind-blowing 98% off. Ideal for meal prep and saving money. To redeem your coupon code on Temu, follow these steps. 1. Open the Temu app or website. Launch the Temu app on your mobile device or visit the Temu website on your computer. 2. Browse and add items to cart. Shop for the items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. 3. Go to checkout. Once you're ready to complete your purchase, go to your cart and click on the checkout button. 4. Enter the coupon code. On the checkout page, look for a field labeled Enter Promo Code or Coupon Code. This is usually found in the order summary section or at the bottom of the checkout page. 5. Apply the code. Enter your coupon code in the designated field and click Apply or Submit. The discount should be reflected in your order total. 6. Review and complete your purchase. Make sure the discount has been applied correctly. Review your order details and proceed to payment to complete your purchase. I hope you enjoy these fantastic Temu coupon codes and the $100 coupon bundle. Remember, these deals are too good to last forever, so make sure to check out the links in the description box and take advantage of these incredible offers. Don't miss out on the chance to save big with these amazing discounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day!